Do you own a hose pump but struggle with its operation? Here are 10 life hacks that will change your game. Instead of leaving your pump on the ground, mount it on a wall to save space. If you are dealing with a kinked hose, use a hairdryer to heat the kinked area to make it easier to straighten. Keep your hose in good condition by lubricating it with vegetable oil. Prevent your hose from getting tangled by storing it in a hose reel. If your pump is noisy, add a rubber mat underneath to reduce vibrations. Clean your pump regularly by running a mixture of vinegar and water through it. Replace your pump's filter every 6 months to ensure it works efficiently. Use a foam gun attachment to get your car or bike washed more efficiently. Use a quick release connector for easy switching of attachments. Invest in a water flow meter to measure your water usage and save money. Thanks for watching these life hacks for pump hoses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.